8 health benefits of ginger. What is ginger? Ginger is originally grown in China. It is closely related to turmeric because they both come from the Zingiberaceae family. Ginger is commonly used as a spice. Ginger contains a substance called gingerol, which has powerful medicine properties. The first health benefit is nausea. Ginger is highly effective towards nausea. Just having 1 to 1.5 grams can help to keep a variety of nausea away, such as morning sickness, nausea after surgery, seasickness, and chemotherapy-related nausea. Number 2 on our list is diabetes and heart disease. Taking ginger in moderation could be effective to treating diabetes. Eating 4 grams of ginger a day can help lower your A1C and regulate insulin production. For centuries, ginger has been used to treat cardiovascular conditions. Ginger's ability to increase blood flow prevent you from having heart disease. Number 3, chronic indigestion. When dealing with chronic indigestion, a natural remedy will be to drink ginger tea because it can reduce stomach acid. 1.2 grams of sugar powder before a meal can aid in emptying the stomach by 50%. Number 4, menstrual cramps. Dealing with menstrual cramps every month is a bother. But for women who would rather avoid painkillers, try ginger tea. Ginger tea works well as a pain reliever. It reduces pain as effectively as ibuprofen. Number 5, pain relief. Just like turmeric, ginger also has a compound called gingerol that contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This means that ginger can minimize inflammation in the body. Number 6, cancer risk. Ginger is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatories out there, and because of that, it can help to reduce the risk of cancer. Number 7, infections. Ginger also fights against infection because of its powerful antifungal and antimicrobial compounds. Ginger can even help to fight off a cold. A recipe you could try is mixing hot water with 2 tablespoons of grated ginger, lemon, and honey. Number 8, the brain. The antioxidant in ginger can prevent inflammation in the brain. The driving keys to Alzheimer's are oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, so ginger can help with age-related damage to the brain. Hey loves, hey! Thank you for tuning in to RS TV. If you like anything I said today on this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Other than that, I pray that everyone is staying safe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!